Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to delete YouTube videos. So basically videos you've created on your YouTube channel from a mobile device. And this can be done on an Android or an iOS device like an iPhone. The process is actually the same. So if you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what you need to do is actually download the YouTube Studio app. So you've got the normal YouTube application, but what you need to do is download YouTube Studio, which is this one here. And once that's downloaded, just go ahead and open that up and log into your account. And then you want to come across and click the three lines just up here in the top left hand corner, and then go ahead and click onto videos. So first you just need to find the video that you want to delete. All of these videos are currently unlisted, just to use as an example, but this does also work on any published videos. So once you found the video you want to delete, just go ahead and select it. And then what you need to do is click the little pen icon at the top of the screen, and then go ahead and click onto advanced settings, and you'll see right down at the bottom there in blue lettering it actually says delete from YouTube. So just go ahead and give that a click, and it's just going to come up with a quick confirmation saying, are you sure you would like to delete the video? Go ahead and click OK, and you'll see that when I refresh the page now, the video has now been deleted from the channel. So that's actually gone off, and if I go into my videos, you'll see if I click onto a few more, and the video has completely been deleted. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.